of course, my bad luck fucking strikes again. This connection and hose is leaking. So I just had to buy new hose and everything. New connection, about to install it at the fucking O'Reilly's. So, fuck me, kill myself, literally. She's a squirter. Holy shit. Always some shit, huh?
Clean his catalog, hey?
Just clean this fucking shit box. God damn it. Had to break it off with a screwdriver and vice grip. I got it. This was cracked and I broke it, so fuck it. I gotta, man, I might just be able to use it, just replace this hose. I might have to replace the whole fucking thing to the water pump where it wires off right there. I'm gonna see. Got the old one off. Got the little clamps on here. Do I need a clamp for this one? Fuck. Yeah, I do. I think so. I don't know. See, I don't fucking know. I'm just retarded. Look at this shit. It's everywhere. Pouring out. Hose. Clamped on. Got that new little piece on. Pushed it the fuck. Ran back. Got the old hose clamp connection thing to the water pump. Got this one. I used the old one and a new one to the reservoir. I have to put some coolant in it. Let me leak shit all over the fucking everything. You got all over my fucking powder coat. Got it everywhere. So appreciate it, slimes. And appreciate slime man McGee here for being my flashlight holder. Got it fixed. Thankfully, everything's good. Filled it up with coolant. Tobin done pulled up on me. Coolant everywhere. Been a good fucking day, I tell you what. Content, man. We got Andre shit tooted. It's cold, man. Oh, big clapper. I wish my truck sounded like that. Gotta take off my fucking caps.
I made the video, Slim Jim.
New stocks. 37, 13, 5, 22s. Hear this motherfucker listen to this gay ass shit.
Popeyes in Appaloozas.
No, sunset.
Shithole.
Very good. 300, old 300, running pretty good. Check her out.
God, bro, you know you just set yourself up for failure right there, bro.
Okay, it's like I'm gonna charge the battery before this weekend.
This weekend.
Mud bugs. I'm behind on videos, like 2 weeks, but we getting there. Taking the wads off. Gotta put them glads I bought yesterday on. Got mud bugs coming this Saturday, so actually I'm just gonna. It'd be nice just to ride on glads, and I might be able to go cut up a little bit. I'm not gonna cut up too bad, but just. These are getting polished next week. I'm gonna drop them off to get polished, so I'll get my truck detailed and shit before I put the rods back on. I'll be ordering new fender liners and shit soon, hopefully. So I can do my wheel lights and rock lights and whatnot. Thinking about getting the float ones, but them I was thinking about it, but them hoses like $1,300-$1,400. Just those are $1,000 by themselves because they bill it. So I am missing some screws, so while I got the time, I'll go get some more screws. And while everything's off, I'm gonna check my suspension and everything. Since I drove the truck a little bit after I put the whole lift on, so I'll check all that shit. Took the tire off. I had greased up all my grease zerks, so here, lower ones, and this one. Whenever I checked everything, I got some grease actually coming out of that one because I over greased it. But I will be getting. I ordered them. They coming in like Thursday. Kryptonite tie rod sleeves. There's a little bow in the tie rods whenever it's kind of flexed out, so it helped that. Eventually, I might get the whole Kryptonite one, but the sleeves are like $30. The whole fucking Kryptonite tie rod, inner and outer and everything's like 300. So, and I'll be running 1.5 spaces in the front, 3 inch in the back, so it'll be about even. And like I said, I'm about to recheck all my bolts and whatnot, but everything should be pretty good. Been riding on it for a while, so
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Got one on. I can only do fronts at a time. So I don't think it looks terrible. I like glass. I mean, they look aggressive as fuck. So I was kind of nervous about running the 1/4 inch with the 1.5 adapters. These little 1/4 inch shim spacers, whatever you want to call them. But when I went to loosen everything and break everything, it was all tight, even though there's not that much for the nut to even grab on, really. Everything was tight. I mean, on both sides. I already got that side on, but everything was tight. So I guess it's good. If I ever, whenever I put my wires back on, I'll probably run the little 1/4 inch spacers again. Slime, do you always here, bro?
Bro, I haven't been here in like a week.
Bro, you have nothing else better to do than just be at my fucking house?
No, not really.
When you get in the truck, dude? Aren't you like almost like 20?
Yeah, I turned 20 in about 2 more months.
Damn, bro.
Nah, but if you keep the truck for 3 more years, I'll buy it for you.
3 more years I gotta keep this turd.
3 more.
Sure, you gonna be whipping around the old unit. Trade me the Yukon for the cat eye. Well, considering it's your mom's Yukon, she probably wouldn't let, but
Well, you know, I'll eventually be taking over.
it's whatever. Anyways, so took off my adapters and spacers. Like I said, run 3 inch in the back, 1.5 inch in the front. It's about even. My tires in the front's turned a little bit. I think the back stick out just a hair wider, but that's alright. I could probably run 2 inch in the front and it'd be a little closer, but it's all good with me. Maybe I'll get some 2 inch spacers. I'm not really tripping. It don't have to be perfect. Like I said, these are just my stocks. I'll ride on them for a couple weeks probably. Go get those polished next week. Clean my truck, get it detailed and shit. And yeah.